What's up, Jeep owners? You won't believe this. This was towed in yesterday with a dead alternator. You won't believe 247,000 miles. 247,745. I'm not sure why all the warning lights are on, but I'll check it out. Got some other issues too. Engine's pretty quiet on cold start. How about that? If you take care of it, it'll take care of you. She's charging. Battery was a little weak, so I'm leaving my jump box on it as the alternators charging both, so it's not straining the new alternator. Crazy, right? Could use some new headlight assemblies to make it look good.